All right, so let's replace the nasty, dirty, disgusting filter that comes out of the back of this fan, and let's replace it with a clean one. It's very simple to do. You're gonna follow the arrow. The arrow is pointing that direction, so we're gonna put it in that direction in the back of this fan. Very easy to do. Just make sure that it's in there. And then we end up putting the back lid cover on. There's two little sections down here that you want to make sure fits into the bottom of your fan. And in order for this fan to work, it needs to click into place. Okay, now after that, you will take a little bitty tiny pin or something small that you can stick in here, and when your unit is on, you're going to reset the filter. If not, and you have this on at night and it's time to reset, it's going to beep, 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 beep. It's going to be annoying, just like the smoke alarms. You know, that always goes off at 2 a.m. So let's turn this back on. Everything is good to go, so if you need that replacement filter, I always have it on auto ship, and it ships to me every 6 months, which is the recommended time to have a filter replaced in your system.